How to back up your phone contacts to Gmail on Android. This tutorial shows you how to sync and save all your contacts to your Google account on your Android device. First, open the Gmail app on your Android device. After that, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top left corner to open the menu. From there, scroll down and tap on Contacts at the bottom of the menu. At this point, this will take you to Google Contacts, where all your contacts are managed. In the next step, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top left corner again to open the Contacts menu. Following this, tap on Settings to open the Contacts settings. Once done, tap on Google Contacts Sync Settings to open the sync options. From here, under the Status section, tap on it to open the sync status. At this stage, make sure Google Contacts Sync is turned on by toggling it on. Finally, once enabled, all your contacts will automatically be synced and saved to your Google account and can be accessed from Gmail or any device you sign into with the same Google account. And that's it. If this guide helped you back up your contacts to Gmail, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.